I got my copy of Home Designer Pro here. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Okay, auto roofs is on, so I got a hip roof, so I'm going to shift select those and open those two walls and direct them to be gables. Okay. I'm going to do an isometric camera of one of the gable ends. If you click on it, that's a wall polyline. That's a wall polyline on the first floor. That's one of the walls that I drew. This one was automatically drawn by the program. Let's open it up and take a look. And you can see that it's marked attic wall, no room defined. In other words, it won't define a room. And no locate. That's the hallmark of automatically generated walls. So if I wanted to change this one wall, all of it, I just go over to the Materials tab, Exterior Wall Surface, and that's the current material that's on it. So I'm going to click on Select Material and pick something else. Let's, well, siding's probably all right. Only just something different looking. Let's see what's available. Okay, I'm going to take just some tongue and groove and stick on there. I don't care. This is just a demonstration. Now, I want this to run different. I want this to run vertically and this to stay as it is. So I applied this material, and see, there's the material. Now I'm going to use this tool here. I don't see the tool. I said it's here, but I don't see it yet. Yeah, okay, the tricolor tool. I'm going to click on this material, and I'm going to change the rotation of the pattern by 90 degrees. 9, tab, and then texture. You have to flip the pattern, and then you also have to flip the texture. So I'm going to turn the texture 90 degrees. There. That's one way to do it. If you want something smaller than this, you know, another way to do it would be to go over here to Wall Types and make it a pony wall. And I'm going to make the lower part siding 6. Yeah, siding. There we go. Siding 6. I don't want a brick wall on the bottom. If you know, you could have a brick wall if you wanted. I'm gonna make basically stacked siding 6 is siding 6. Now, what the pony wall does is it splits it into two polylines that I can now adjust. Now the materials are the same, so I'm going to take the eyedropper and get that blue siding and make sure that I'm in component mode and put it on the bottom. So move that polyline up. Well, it doesn't want to go. I'm going to adjust the wall polyline to the, well, I'm going to try to grab that edge, and I can't get it to cooperate now. It doesn't want to. Well, I had a, well, dadgummit, it's being a little contrary. Sometimes if you want something, you really have to work for it. Okay, I'll tell you what, I'm going to delete that, and let's see, I'm going to undo that. I want to put that wall back. Okay. So you get the idea that this is an automatically generated wall most of the time, but whether you drew it or whether the software draws it, it still has a dialog box and a materials tab, and also you can go to wall types and pony wall a wall. Let's see if there's another way. I'm going to do, this time I'm going to use an elevation camera. Let's say I just wanted to do part of this. I think I should be able to go over here to, see, where's that tool? I don't use this tool very much, but I just thought of it. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Let's look under build wall. I guess in Chief Premier, there's some more choices, but you get the idea. You can just open this, go to the materials tab. If you want to do the entire gable end, and just select the material. We'll go back over here and just, I'm just going to pick something like white. That's fine. You know, that's the simplest way to do it. And then if you wanted to make this smaller, I think I could probably, well, the wall polylines in Home Designer Pro just don't seem to be very malleable. I thought that there was, maybe it's a backsplash tool. Maybe that's what I was thinking about. Yeah, let's try that. I'm just going to click on the backsplash tool, cabinet tool. Okay, that works. And again, the backsplash tool creates a polyline which you can shape. I'm going to make it triangular shaped. That's what I was trying to think of a while ago. I'm going to take this and now this is the default material. If I wanted to have siding on it, I could just take the siding and stick siding on it. So now I've got this little polyline here which I can resize, and it sits on top of the gable end. Let's look at it isometrically. I've been in the hospital recently and I was sick, so I'm not quite as sharp as I usually am. But you get the idea. That's a little custom backsplash. And you can do different things with a custom backsplash also. Let me show you. I'm going to take this and open this dialog box and see it's currently ½ an inch thick. I'm going to make it 14 inches thick. Now it's still that same material. It's just 14 inches thick now. It's like somebody was asking the other day, let me go to a elevation camera again. I got this 14-inch thick thing here. I'm going to take it and use the break line tool and give it a little more geometry. I'm going to take this bottom line and then curve it. So you can create some, some fancy stuff if you want to. And that's just the backsplash tool. So you got several different ways to do that. I hope this helps you out and others who are trying to learn how to use Home Designer Pro software. It's got a lot of functionality built into it, but a lot of it, there's so much of it, you have to read the entire reference manual, a couple of 1,000 pages, to really find out about everything. Well, I hope this helps you, and that's all for today. Thank you. Oh my God, I forgot to record this.